the left and the right part. Na, di ba? Meron tayong MDX at saka NDY. So, ito yung M natin, yung partial differential of f with respect to x and partial differential of f with respect to y. No, so, yun yung MDX and MDY natin. M for mama and for nanay. Ay, ayan pala. Yan, si MDX and NDY. Ngayon, the left side is the differential of the function with respect to x. The right side is the differential of the function with respect to y. For exact equation, in order to be exact, because we assume that it's come from the same equation or the fy, no? So it is said to be an exact equation if the expression on the left-hand side is an exact differential. Ano ba pag sinabing exact differential? It comes from the same term. Okay, o gawa tayo ng ano. Ay, hindi. Sorry. Ano natin to ha? X plus 2y, 2x plus y. Na. So, x plus 2y, 2x plus y. Oops, sorry. Paano ko to i-screenshot? Okay. Hi, so x plus 2y. Napakaganda ng sulat ko. Hi, x plus 2y, 2x plus y. So for exact equation, we have what you call test. No, so di ba sa homogeneous, we have test for homogeneity. So for exact, we have what you call test. No? So meron tayong test. Sulat muna natin, test. Napakaganda ng sulat isa. Pangit yung aking ano. The test is the partial differential of m with respect to partial differential of y should be equal to the partial differential of n with partial differential of x. No? Again, nasa module naman yun. Ang ganda ng sulat ni Sir. Ta. Yan. Tata. Yan. So, dapat equal siya dun sa, dapat equal yung differential niya. So, alin ba yung m, alin ba yung n? So, di ba, m dx and dy. Na. Okay, balik tayo dito. What is your m? Your m is x plus 2y. Na, ito. Yan. Your n is 2x plus y. Gandahan ang sulat ni Sir. Kasi ang pangit ng sulat ni Sir. Yung, ganda ng sulat. 2x plus y. Okay. Yun si m. Differentiate natin. And this is half differentiation or partial differentiation. No? So when you say partial differentiation, dun muna tayo sa m, sa mama. Partial differential of m with respect to partial differential of y. Ang gagawin natin is y is a variable, x is a constant. So kung x is a constant, no, Madali na naman tandaan kasi 'di ba MDX at MDY. So pag M, Y ang i-differentiate mo, 'di ba? Yung opposite niya lang. Diba? So kung DX ay DY, kung DY X naman, no? Ayan. So pag M, DY ang i-differentiate mo pag pag N, DX, no? Kasi ang form natin ay MDX, MDY. So yung opposite variable lang yung i-differentiate natin. Okay, differential of M with respect to Y. Si Y is a variable. So, ang differential niya is 0 plus 2. Ang X ay constant. No? So, 2 lang matitira. No? Okay? So, X pag N naman, since N dy, X naman siya. So, X is a variable, Y is a constant. No? So, 2, 0. So, therefore, exact. Or sasagutin nyo ng exact sentence, no? The equation is exact. Okay? So, the equation is exact. Okay? Yeah. Na, so, yun yung test natin for exactness. Na. Ay, ah, so far so good, no? So, sa test lang yun. Nag-differentiate lang tayo sa test. Okay? So, unlike homogeneous, when you say homogeneous equation, di ba, sabi natin, ay, okay, ma-identify natin yung first degree. So, may first degree, first degree. Si exact, wala siyang 100% accurate test. No? Pero pag yung inspection, hindi mo siya walang 100% way para ma-identify siya without doing the test. No? You still have to do the test, but without doing the test, wala akong 100% way para ma-identify kung exact siya. Pero ano yung hindi 100% way? If you check out the problems, pag nag-check kayo ng problems, alamin niyo yung pattern. So there are patterns when it comes to exact equation. Some of the coefficients are, or the left and the right side are similar. Kasi nga exact sila eh. So, kung papansinin nyo, yung equation natin, parehas may 2, both sides. No? Okay, second example, yung, ano yung differential ng x square? Yung differential ng x square, nandun sa kabilang side, which is 2x. No? So may mga similarities, hindi siya 100% accurate, but there could be a high chance na exact siya pag may mga similar terms. No? So let's say, sine 2y differential, 2x cube differential, anong lalabas sa kanya? Ayan o, merong 3x square doon, may 3x square, y square, tapos merong cosine 2y. So, sa left and the right side, merong similar or the differential of the other terms is on the opposite side. No, for exact equations. So hindi siya guarantee na magiging exact siya, but if you see similarities between the left and the right terms, then there is a high chance na exact siya. Na. Okay, so yun yung advice ko. Last example. Ayan. Anong differential ng tangent? Second, diga, or integral. Anong differential ng x squared nandun sa opposite side, the 2x. So hindi ko alam kung bakit may 1. But there is similarities between the terms. No? So anyways, balik tayo sa pagsasolve. So it's not, wala yan sa module. So it is an advice, it is a tip on how to identify exact equations. But if you really want to know if it is an exact equation, you have to do the test. May test naman. So, pwede mong gawin. I'm just saying na, yun yung advice ko. Na, okay? So, anyways. Ang pangit ng sulat ko pa rin. No? Okay, so solve na natin. So there are three theorems in solving exact differential equation. Theorem number 1. Nasa na ang aking pen? Ayaw magsulat. Theorem number 1. Ganda ng sulat. Okay, so si theorem number 1 is we integrate the left side. Di ba yan ay mdx and dy. So we integrate the mdx. Ganda ng sulat. Okay, maglilipat ako ng ng tablet. Lilipat ako ng tablet. Ay, bakit kasi yung sulat ko? Hindi siya presentable and ayaw ko. So, hindi siya presentable. And, iyan ako na lang. Paano ako mag-e-end ng present? Got away. Okay, so sulat ko dito yung ating problem. Okay. So, x plus 2y. At least, okay na ako magsulat dito. X plus 2y dx plus 2x plus y dy is equal to 0. No? Okay? Sulat natin yung m as guys, lagi kong ina-identify yung m at n ha. So, ito ay gagawin nyo rin pag nagsosolve kayo. Kasi ito yung chinecheck ko. Then, let's do the test with respect to y. So, opposite lang. Kung ito'y dx, di respect sa dy. Yeah. Opposite gender, opposite variable lang. No? So, 0 ang x2. N with respect to x 2 tapos 0. So, isusulat natin. Therefore, the equation is exact. No? Ngayon, for theorem 1, what we're going to do is we're going to integrate the left side. Ano ba yung left side? Yung MDX. No? MDX. Ang integral of x plus 2y, x plus 2y, with respect to x. So, this is partial integration. No? So, left side lang. Para maging x squared over 2 plus 2yx. X is a variable, y is constant. Plus h of y. Sir, bakit po h of y? Okay? So, when we differentiate, ano nangyari? Bigyan nang differentiate tayo with respect to x, yung n. Ito. Ito, diga? Ano nangyari doon sa y? Yung y, sabi niya, okay. So, yung y, naging 0. Nung nag-differentiate tayo, yung y naging 0. Kasi nga, treatment natin is y is a constant. Ngayon, if we're to integrate, vice versa, so probably kung mag-integrate tayo with respect to x, baka may y na naging 0. So instead of constant, we're going to add h or function of y, h. Kasi, baka kasi may y na naging 0. Diba? So, yun yung gagawin natin. That is the step number 1. Step number 2, we differentiate with respect to y. Kabilang side naman, your integral of mdx. Yung na-integrate natin, i-differentiate natin with the opposite gender, the opposite variable. Ano yung variable? Y. So, kabaliktaran naman, y is the variable, x is the constant. Ang mangyari? 0. Kasi walang y yan eh. Variable nga si y. Variable nga si y. So, 2x plus h prime y. Na, so yun po yung ginawa natin. Theorem number 1 yan na. Step-by-step procedure yan. So, yun po yung talagang gagawin. So, and that should be equal to n. So, equal po dapat siya sa n. Ano ba yung n? 2x plus y. Ang n ay 2x plus y. 2x plus h prime y is equal to, so di ba 2x pares meron left and right? So, h prime y is equal to y. Integrate both sides para maging hy is equal to y squared over, yun yung si hy. Okay? Ay, so, yun yung si hy. Bakit mo kailangan natin makuha si hy? Nung nag-integrate tayo, itong equation na to, ito na yung tinatawag nating working solution. Yan na yung solution natin, pero hindi lang natin alam yung hy. Ay, ngayon, alam na natin yung hy kasi nga, inequate natin to the right side. So, alam na natin yung hy. So, your general solution is x squared over 2 plus 2yx plus y squared over 2 is equal to, lalagay mo lang ng c sa dulo, simplify your answer, multiply both sides to 2 para maging x squared plus 4yx plus y squared is equal to c. Ito na yung general solution natin. Okay, and that is theorem 1. No? That is theorem 1. Ang ating differential equation. No? Again, siguro ang pinaka is swift explanation ko is ganito. Let's say your function of xy is equal to c. This is your general solution. No, iyan yung solution natin. No. Ngayon, nung dinifferentiate natin siya, ang lalabas ay mdx and dy. No. Okay. So, yan yung ating differential equation. Yan yung sinosolve natin, yung naka-mdx and dy form. Kumbaga, kung xy yan, plus c, magiging y dx plus x dy. No. Ayun yung kung ito yung example. No, for theorem 1, ang ginagawa natin, we're going to integrate the for theorem 1, we integrate the left side. So, ano yung sabihin nun? For exact equation, pag in-integrate mo yung left side, we're saying that the integral of the left side is a partial general solution, is a partial solution of the whole equation. Ito yon, no? Integrate natin. Ngayon, because may mga y terms na naging zero, kasi nga partial integration lang siya, may mga y terms na naging zero, what we're going to do is we're going to differentiate the integral. No, we're going to differentiate the integral into the n. No, yung n part. No, kaya natin inequate siya sa n. No. Ganun ang ginawa natin para makuha natin yung hy. Para makuha natin yung hy, and that, then again, ito yung ating general solution, or ito pa rin yung ating hinahanap, yung general solution. Okay? So, ganun po yung theorem 1. Yun na yung pinaka-simplest way ko of explaining the procedure. No? So, nandyan naman po sa module, ang tanong, tama ba ang pag-integrate ni sir? So, nandyan naman, ayun o, nag-test for exactness, 2 parehas. No, 2 parehas. Instead of hy, instead of hy, gx ang ginamit. So, letter T yung ginamit ni module. So, okay lang kahit anong gamitin yung letter. Kung gusto nyo yung letter ay O, B, Q, R, S, T, U, B. Huwag naman XY kasi X. So, T ang ginamit ng module, pwedeng T rin gamitin nyo. So, instead of H prime Y, T prime Y ang meron siya. Yan ang final answer. Na, so same lang, x square for xy, y square c. X square for yx plus y square is equal to c. Na, ayan po, si Esa. Na, yun po si exact. So, compared to the homogeneous at separable, mas mabilis siya. Komplikado ba? Mas complex siya kasi you are integrating and differentiating alternatingly. So, make sure that you are you're doing the steps correctly. Na, so, isa pa. One more problem kasi sir, isang example pa lang naman. No. So, hanap tayo ng may trigo. Ay, tata. Kasi syempre sir, nakakatakot ang may trigo. No. Sir, sa exam naman, baka mamaya puro LN, puro cosine, no. So, diba? Ano pong fraction ba yung ilalagay? No? Ang nakakatakot is hyperbolic. Well, sa akin, kasi hindi rin din ako mag-hyperbolic. Napakabasta talaga. Okay, so anyways, solve natin yan. A row 1. Okay. So, una muna, let's do homogeneous ba siya? May cosine? Hindi ko na itatry for homogeneous kasi may cosine at sine. Plus to the 4th degree to, di ba? So, probably it's not homogeneous equation. Is it separable? No. Hindi po kayang i-separate ang x square and y square, naka-binomial siya. So, we're gonna try exact equation. I'm gonna write down m. Always write down m. So, yan po yung isa sa mga check-checkan ko kung ina-identify nyo ba yung m at n. Na. So, kung hindi nyo, ma-identify ang m and n, make sure na naka-m dx and dy form tayo. Okay, minus 2x cubed y. No. Okay, so yun si m at si n. Let's do the test for exactness. M with respect to y. No. So, pwede nyo isulat test for exactness. No? Exactness. O, ganda ng sulat. Cursive. No? Ayusin ang sulat kasi checkan niya ni sir. No? Test for exactness. So, M lang. Isa-isahin. No? Again, si y ay variable. X is a constant. So, kung si y yan, with differential cosine, magiging negative 2 sine 2y minus 6x square y. No? So, sanay na tayo mag-differentiate. M with respect to x. No? And with respect to x, so x lang ang titingnan natin. Huwag na natin tingnan ng y. Kasi x na lang lagi. So, if x is a variable, y is a constant, ito, 0 na. So, 0 na yan kasi wala tayong paki kay y. Okay, so negative 2 sine 2y. No, kasi x lang yung tinitingnan natin. No? Sine 2y minus 6x squared y. No? Kasi nga, 3 lang, x lang yung tinitingnan natin. Okay? So, parehas lang. So, therefore, the equation is exact. Yeah. Ayan. Ay, okay na. So, exact na siya. So, may 2 points na kayo out of 10 points. No? Nagawa na natin yung test. No? So, 2 points na yun. No? Or 3 points. Tingnan natin kung anong points ang test. Okay. Solve na natin. No? So, theorem 1, theorem 2, theorem 3. So, theorem 1 is MDX. No? So, kung si theorem 1 ay kaliwa yung integrate natin, papunta dun sa equation. Si theorem 2, yung kanan ang ini-integrate natin papunta dun sa taas. No? So, just for science, no? So, for the lesson, si kanan naman yung aking integrate. So, instead of M, N naman, no? dy. Sir, required po ba na isolve namin kahit anong both method? No, so hindi. Maalin. Maalin doon sa tatlong theorem na pwede nyo gamitin, they are counted as exact equation or ano. So, pili lang kayo ng mas preference mo. Okay? So, si theorem 1 and 2 nasa module. Si theorem 3 nakita ko lang sa YouTube sa mga Indiano. Then, tinuturo siya as a shortcut. Is shortcut? Hindi, same lang din naman. Pero, I think you will prefer theorem 3. No? So, mamaya na yung theorem 3. No? So, si theorem 2, n dy naman. So, integrate n dy. So, si n naman ang tinitingnan natin si nanay. And y is a variable. No? So, si n, so cosine 2y. Integral of cosine 2y is sine 2y. Divide. Y lang ang tinitingnan natin, si y variable. No? Kahit paulit-ulit, lagi ko sinasabi, no, y lang titingnan natin, x lang yung titingnan natin para yung mindset ko is na ano ko na agad. So, negative 2x sine 2y, y lang yung titingnan natin, si sine, ang integral ng sine ay cosine, negative, diga. So, dino-double check ko kung tama ba. So, 2x cosine 2y divide by 2 negative. So, magiging positive siya. Si y lang ang tinitingnan natin. So, ito naman, 2x cube. Integral ng y ay y square. So, negative 2x cube y square over 2. Okay? Cancel 2. Cancel 2. 2 over 2 is 1. No? So, simplify. Ayusin ko lang sulat. No? Plus x cosine 2y minus x cube y square. No? Yeah. After natin mag-integrate, mag-differentiate na, no? With respect to x. That is step number 1, integrate. Step number 2 is differentiate with the opposite gender variable. So, x naman. So, si x naman ang titingnan natin. 0 na to. No, kasi walang x yan. Ito may x. No? So, yun yung integrate natin. Differentiate natin. So, magiging cosine 2y minus 3x square y square. Yeah. X lang yung dinidifferentiate natin. X is a variable, y is a constant. Okay? Sir, nakalimutan niyo po yung g of x na. So, kung si theorem 1 ay h of y ang inilalagay natin, si theorem 2 ay g of x na. Okay? Plus g prime of x kasi nag-differentiate tayo. Okay. Okay naman tayo, nakakahabol. So kanina, MDX, tapos dinifferentiate natin sa dy. Ngayon, NDY, dinifferentiate natin sa dx. No, in opposite side lang. Okay? And that should be equal to m. No, equal dapat siya sa m. Ano si m? Ito si m. No, cosine 2y. So si m daw ay cosine 2y. Ito to. Minus 3x squared y squared. No? So, yan si m. No, ito si m. Equal lang din yung dalawang term. So, meaning g prime of x is 0. So, when your g prime of x is 0, pag in-integrate mo yan, your g of x is, the integral of 0 is 0. Hindi, c. It's constant. Teka, constant. Integral of 0 is constant. So, kopyahin lang natin yon. Ito na yung ating general solution, pero kopyahin lang natin yung g of x. So, sine, nawala yung 2. Nawala yung kopya ko na to, no? Nawala yung kopya. So, dino-double check ko lagi kung tama ba yung kopya ko. No? So, baka naman napansin nyo na rin kagad. No? Okay. Kahit ako ay may nakakalimutan din ako, especially pag nagmamadali. So, what if pa yung mga hindi nagsosolve, hindi no? So, lagi nyong i-double check yung yung mga divided, especially yung mga kuwet, no? Yung mga prime. Ako, nagkakamali ako sa mga sign. Kaya ako siya inuulit sa inyo kasi kahit madalas na nagsosolve ay magkakamali pa rin. So, because that is minor na, no? Minor na. Which is understandable. No? Pero, okay. Ayun na yung sulit. No? Simplify. How do you simplify your answer? When it comes to simplification, ang rule ko lang ay no fraction. So, multiply both sides to 2. No, multiply ko lang both sides to 2 para mawala yung fraction. Sin 2y plus 2x cosine 2y minus 2x cubed y squared is equal to c. Ayan. Yun lang po yung rule ko sa simplification. No fraction and similar terms. Pag similar terms is, let's say, 3x minus 4x. Similar terms, so pag minusin nyo na, negative x. Na. Ganun po ang simplification. Anyways, is the answer correct? No? Is the answer correct? Ayan. So, 2 sine 2y, 6x squared. Ayan. X 2x cube, ginawa lang natin, i-multiply natin sa 2. So, dito kasi, hindi niya na multiply sa 2. Yun na yung simplest form niya. Okay lang yun. Hindi, wait. Ang rule ko sa simplification ay no fraction. So, tanggalin niyo po yung fraction. No? As much as possible, kung mga ganyang coefficient, I prefer no fraction. No? So, multiply both sides to 2. Okay. So, okay na tayo sa dalawang theorem. Theorem 1, theorem 2. Again, maalin. Okay. Meron ba tayong homework dito? Street work, homework. Arbitrary. So, nagtanong ang mga estudyante, like, ano daw yung advice ko sa mga, ano daw yung advice ko when it comes to the midterm? At this point, ang expectation ko sa mga student is meron na kayong mga yellow paper diyan sa bahay nyo na may mga solved problems na nagsosolve kayo sa libro. As in, bawat exercise sa bawat topic ay nagtatry kayo mag-solve. Expectation. Reality, no. No. So, hindi ko naman sinasabi na gawin nyo kagad lahat. No. So, I'm just, that is, let's say, a very studious student. Ganun na ginagawa. Okay? Anyways. Alagyan natin ng initial value. No? Okay? From 1 to Uriel Vince. Give me a number, 1 to 5.
Sir, yung 5 po.
Yung 5 na. Sige, yung panguli na. No. Sige, try na agad ang solve natin. Hindi ko sure. Sana ma-solve natin. No? Si Sir kasi minsan napapayabang din. No? So, tingnan natin. So, sana ma-solve natin. No? M, sulat natin si M. Pero pagdating naman kay exact, I like exact. So, I am very confident when exact. Ang tanong na lang is kung alam mo ba yung differential ng mga terms, no? So, y square cosine x minus 3x square y minus 2x. Ang n mo ay 2y sine x minus x cubed plus ln y. Na, so, sulat ko na yung x equals 0, y is equal to e. Na. Right, test for exactness, m with respect to y. No, so ito ay magiging 2y cosine x minus 3x squared minus 0. Na, n with respect to x. No, to test pa lang tayo, ayusin ang sulat, huwag siya mukhang 2. So dapat siya ay mukhang baklang b. So magiging 2y cosine x minus 3x squared plus 0 kasi x lang, consider the y values as a constant. So si ln y 0 siya. No? So therefore, the equation is exact. No, ang tanong ng estudyante, paano po pag hindi exact? Ay di hindi exact. Hindi mo yung solve by exact equation. No. So confident ako na exact yan kasi nasa exercises yan ng exact. Exact. So lahat yan ay exact. Exact. So sa libro, mayroon dong miscellaneous problems. So doon sa libro, mayroon dong miscellaneous problems. Page 50, 46 to 50 yata yun. And hindi sasabihin sa inyo yung type. So mayroong mga situation na baka mamaya nakalagay diyan ay solved by two equations, solved by two problems. Ay two methods, no? Two methods. So merong dual typing, parang Pokemon. So pwede siyang exact, pwede siyang homogeneous, pwede siyang separable. So wag ganyan, di solve nyo both methods. Pero merong cases na pwede nyo isolve via homogeneous equation, pwede nyo isolve via exact. Sir, ano pong gagawin namin? Pili lang kayo. Pag hindi sinabi sa inyong solve by two methods, di kung anong gusto nyo, kung anong type. Okay, anyways, exact na siya. Let's solve. So, for theorem number 1. Theorem number 1. So, try natin ang theorem number 1. Sige, try natin ang theorem number 1. So, theorem number 1 is integral of m dx. No? So, m dx, so x muna. So, y square. Pwedeng isulat nyo naman muna. So pag in-integrate natin yan, dx, so x lang, y square sine x minus x cube y minus x square plus h of h of x, h of y is yun na yung ating integral ng m dx na. Right, then again step number 2 is differential with respect to y. So y naman, so magiging 2y sine x minus x cube minus 0 minus h prime y. And that should be equal to n. What is n? Ito, nasa taas naman. 2y sine x minus x cube plus lny. Na. So that is n. Na. So h prime y is equal to lny. Now, pag in-integrate natin yan, si lny, direct integration niya is y lny. Na. y lny. No. Minus y. Ang ayan ay direct, direct integration. So, pwede wait lang. Ang alam ko, pwede nating i-let u yun. So, let u is equal to y, no, du is equal to dy, no, dw is equal to ln, differential, wait lang. Pwede bang i-let u yun? So, let lny is equal to the u, 1 of y, no, 1 over y is equal to du, no. So, dw is equal to w, dw is equal to y, no. Ang ayusin kong sulat, no. Ayusin kong sulat. U is equal to lny, du is equal to 1 over y. No, so dw is equal to dy, tapos w is equal to y. No, so yung pag in-integrate natin yan, di ba yan ay wu minus integral of w du, no. So ang wu mo ay y lny minus the integral of y over y dy, no. So y lny minus y, yan na yung integral nung lny dy, na. So, I guess, pwede siyang substitution method, no? Ang tawag po diyan ay partial integration or integration by parts. Tiga. Integration by parts. So, nag-integration by parts tayo, lny dy. No? Ang alam ko may direct formula, pero integration by parts. No? So, yun si hy. Kopyahin lang natin. Ito yung sa hy, di ba? With the power of paint magic, no, kopyahin lang natin, no. So, sana may paste sa exam, no. Wala na. So, kopyahin ng C. Yan na yung ating may nakikita akong mga similar terms. So, tanggalin ko lang yung y, no. So, y sine x plus lny minus 1, no. At saka negative x. Yung x square pwedeng dito na lang, no? Minus x square, no, xy plus no? xy plus 1 na is equal to C. So, kinuha ko lang yung mga similar terms pero ito na yun na. Yan na yung ating sagot na. Ano nga tong problem? Hanapin nyo na lang sa libro. So, I think nasa libro naman to. Double check. May nakita ko, sir, hindi po yun yung sagot kasi IVP, initial value problem, no? So, hindi pa siya yung final answer. Initial value problem is x equals 0, y is equal to e. Substitute lang natin. So, y square. So, e square sine 0 minus 0 cube e minus 0 square plus e ln e minus e is equal to c. No? So, sine 0 is 0. 0 cube ay 0. 0 square ay 0. E ln e ay e minus e is equal to 0. No? Diba ang ln e is equal to 1? No? So, e minus e is 0. No? So, di pala, c is equal to 0. No? So, if c is 0, di ang final answer mo is gawin lang natin itong 0. Ito na yung tinatawag nating particular solution. No, ito na yung ano natin. Hindi alam na natin yung value ng constant. Ito na yung final answer. Okay? Okay. So that is theorem number 1. Okay? Hindi ko pala naturo yung theorem 3. Sige. Solve tayo ng last sa module naman. Sa module, sorry. Dito na lang. Theorem 3, madali lang. Theorem 3. Very fast. Theorem 3, kung si theorem 1 ay inintegrate natin ng kaliwa, si theorem 2 inintegrate natin ng kanan, si theorem 1, si theorem 3 ay inintegrate natin both sides. So, sin y plus tangent x. Kopyahin ko lang. Ito ha. May negative dito. So, make sure na kinokopya nyo yung negative kasi baka mamaya hindi nakopya yung negative kasi mdx, mdy positive yung sign. So, pag may negative dyan, kopya nyo yung negative.
Pagsuki.
So, m with respect to x, y, no? So, sin x cosine y plus 0, no? N with respect to x, no? So, si x lang yung i-differentiate natin, magiging positive sin x cosine y, no? So, therefore, the equation is exact. So, same lang yung test. But then again, we're going to use theorem 3 or YouTube, no? So, theorem 3, we both integrate both sides, no? So, mdx plus ndy. Okay, so mdx, integrate natin. So, pag in-integrate mo yan, si sine ay magiging negative cosine x sine y, no? Plus, ang integral ng tangent ay negative ln cosine, yeah? ln cosine x plus double check, di ba ang tangent ay sin x over cosine x dx. Yeah, so let u is equal to cosine x, du is equal to negative sin x dx. So magkakaroon ng du over u negative. So negative ln. So pwede nyo yung gawin on the side, pero I think that's a direct formula. So pwede nyo tandaan, pwede kayo mag-substitute. No? Okay. Integral to ha, integral. Pag differential, alam ko ay second square. Pag differential. Okay? Any question? So far, so good. May question kayo? Wala naman na. Sabihin nyo ha, kasi binabantayan ko din naman yung chat nyo. Si NDY, ito yung integrate natin, no? So, si Y lang ang tinitingnan. So, si cosine integral is negative cosine x sine Y. Lagyan ng lagyan ng h of Y. Lagyan ng g of x na. Okay, no, that is theorem 3. Now, so for theorem 3, we integrate the left and the right. Then what's next is, wala na tayong differentiation. Integrate the left and the right, then copy. Hindi add, don't add, copy the similar terms. No, just copy cosine x sine y. No, similar terms, that's the similar terms. Then identify your hy, which is 0 kasi pag sinabi mong y terms only, wala naman siyang katapat. G of x is the x terms, which is negative ln cosine x. No? So, yun na yun. Negative ln cosine x. Kopyahin nyo lang, then equal c. Lipat, gawin kong positive, multiply both sides to negative 1 para maging cosine x sine y plus ln cosine x is equal to c. That is now your general solution. Right? So that is the 3 theorem. Okay. Any question?
The fuck?
Okay lang kayo dyan? Any question? Okay. No, so si theorem 1 and 2, 3. So si theorem 3 is not in your module. But you can find it in YouTube sa mga pinopost ko sa classroom. Okay. Balik tayo sa lesson. Okay. Let's proceed. If there's no more question, we already have 3 examples. We're going to proceed with linear. Now, linear. Okay, so let's proceed with linear. Meron pa tayong 1 hours, di ba? 1 hours. 9 to 11. So, we still have time. I think if we're going to separate the lesson, yung yung theorem 1, theorem 2, madali lang yun. But the question is, are you able to integrate and differentiate? Yun yung application kasi. No, pero yung lesson ng exact, very short lang nila. Ito, theorem 1, theorem 2, theorem 3, may tatlong theorem. And the test, no? So madali lang tandaan yung test, no? So for linear, i-save ko muna to bago mag-blue screen. May sakit kasi yung aking laptop.
Kung hindi kaya ng test, during 1, during 2 lang na tayo.
Pag hindi na kaya ng test, ay hindi exact. Probably it's the other type, no? Pag hindi naging exact, hindi exact. Hindi siya mag-save. Naglalag. Dapat din ako nag-save. Pero gusto ko mag-save. Yes.
Baby, I love you every day.
Let's go to... So sana may record kayo ng ating file kasi i-close ko na siya at not responding. Hindi siya nag-save. So sana may kopya kayo ng may record kayo or ni-screenshot nyo na kasi not responding si natin. Sige.
Mama, what have we here?
Ay, let's go with linear.
What a
No, so wag mo
surprise,
nang
what a surprise. Come on, na 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 na.
Mr. Paulo, good luck sa iyong
Ay, sorry po sir.
career. Sige, okay lang. Butit nakakanta ka pa. Ay, good, good. Ay, may icebreaker tayo. So, ganun talaga pag nag-enjoy tayo mag solve. Diba? Anyways, linear equations. No? So, pag sinabi nating linearity, no? Linear equations, diga, what degree? When your equation is linear, what degree? And anong degree? Na type nyo sa chat o kaya magsalita ng iba. Anong degree ng linear? Zero? From the right? Ay, wala. Anong degree? First degree, yon. Okay, may nag-chat. Sige, okay na yon. So, first for 1 po. Tama. No? So, first degree. So, how do you know if your linear equation? So, linear equation follow the form dy dx. So, let's say linear in y plus p of x, your first degree y, p of x. So, si p of x at si qx, huwag nyo na lang pansinin muna. Si p of x at si q of x ay any function of x. Any function of your independent variable. Independent variable. And in order for it to be linear, your dependent variable y, usually y, must be first degree. Na, linear in y. Sir, pwede po bang linear in x? Pwede naman, balik ta rin. No? dx over dy plus py x is equal to qy. No? So, pwede naman po magkabaliktad yan. So, in this case, any function of y or independent variable, no, what? Independent. No? Okay? So, that is your linear equation. But how do you know? Kasi sir, yung mga equation natin, naka-MDX and dy form. Diga, how will you know that equation is linear if it is MDX and NDY form? Ay di itra-transform natin. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to transform the equation into ano po tayo example. Ito mo. So this is an example of your MDX and dy form. So what we want to do is to transform it into linear form. No? So hindi ko na siya itatry for exact. No. Hindi ko na siya itatry for homogeneous. Hindi siya separable. No? Kasi magkasama sila sa binomial. So we know that it's not one of the three types. Okay? So we transform them. So in order to know if it's separable, isa-separate natin. Kaso kung hindi natin kayang i-separate, hindi siya separable. Okay? So for linear, if you cannot transform it to linear form, it's not linear. Okay? Yun yung wala. So there, in linear form, there is no test. The test is to try to transform it to linear form. If you cannot transform it to linear form, then it's not linear equation. Right? So let's say your y is the dependent variable. So transform it to dy over dx plus p of x y is equal to q of x. So isa-isay natin. I'm gonna find dy first. So I'm gonna divide the equation by dx and negative x para yung itong side na to maging dy over dx na. So it becomes dy over dx x to the fourth divided by negative x plus 2y divided by negative x na is equal to 0. Ayusin ang sulat, sir, kasi pangit ang sulat mo. Okay. So, okay na tayo sa first derivative. Kopyahin ko na lang sa left side. Okay na tayo. O, check na yan. Check na to. O, check na yan. Okay? The second term is your first degree variable y. So, hanapin ng y. Ito po yung ating y.
Ano yun?
So, i-separate ko lang yon plus 2 divided by negative x, y. Yun yung second term natin. Okay na to. Check na uli. Check na to. No. Yung third term,
Ha?
di ilipat lang natin sa kabila. No, x cube. Diba? Ito yun. Yan yung kabila. No.
Okay.
The important thing is meron kang first degree y, meron kang first degree first derivative dy over dx. And that is linear form. Identify p of x. Ito po yung checkan ko kay linear equation. Identify niyo yung p of x, identify niyo yung q of x, which is x cube. Right? Linear siya. No? Linear siya. So, again, meron akong mga advice and tips when it comes to solving this equation. So, kung titingnan nyo, yung mga example ng linear equation, di ba ang linear form natin ay tatlong term? No, tatlong term yan. The left and dalawa sa left, isa sa right. No, so tatlong term yan. So, may advice, hindi siya guaranteed 100%, but most of the time, linear equation ay tatlong term. Yung mga example ng linear, yung mga problem na isosolve nyo, tatlong term. Ayan o. Cosine, tatlo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tatlong term na. 1, 2, 3. So, hindi siya guaranteed kasi meron naman mga equation na
Yesterday, discuss po tayo. Ano meron sa mechanical
ayan o,
wave.
apat to. So, hindi naman siya guaranteed na 100%.
Nature, isang wave.
Apat din to.
Saan ka-travel?
Apat din to. So, hindi siya guaranteed. Pero most of the time, the examples are
Sample examples.
tatlong term. And requirement is first degree variable. So, ito, may first degree y ka.
Yung wave natin.
Na, may first degree y ka. So, pansinin nyo, yung y, yung dy, walang katabing y. Tapos yung y mo nandun sa dx. Na? Ano ta? Yung first degree y nyo, di ba ito yung x dy? So, yung dy nyo nandun sa left side. No? O, yung y nyo nasa left side. No, first degree y. Yung y nyo nasa left side. No? Hindi niya katabi yung dy. Kasi nga, kailangan linear siya. And again, pag may y dy tayo, sa linearity, sa module number 1, sa linearity, non-linear siya. So, yung y mo must be at the opposite of the left side or yung katabi ng dx. So, ito, yung y niya katabi ng dx. No? Ito, di ba dy over dx?
Sound na yun ay for,
Right?
kunyari,
So, yun yung advice ko. Yun yung pattern within the problems. No? It's not guaranteed. So, sir, what do you suggest? So, yun ay lang, kumbaga yung initial inspection. So, kung gusto nyo talaga malaman kung linear siya ay hindi, di i-transform nyo sa linear form. Kung kaya nyo i-transform sa linear form, it's linear. If it's not, probably it's the other type.
Especially kapag sa ang air natin ang medium constant.
Okay? Okay. Now, we are now solving. Once you know that your equation is linear, so hindi nyo kailangan lagyan ng therefore kasi wala naman test,
More slowly.
we're going to introduce the term integrating factor. So, for linear form, we have integrating factor. By the name itself, no, see, integrating factor, e raised to the px dx. Formula yan. So, take note, yan po yung formula. No, nasa module naman.
And
Oops, sorry.
that wave, longitudinal waves, ay tinatawag natin sound waves po.
Yeah. So, nasa
This is
module
tama
naman
naman,
yan.
diga.
So,
Kasi diga ang ating definition po ng longitudinal waves
yeah.
natin kahapon, yesterday, ay siya yung
Ay, so,
with the same direction.
paano ko explain yan, no?
Same ang direction
Paano
niya
ko-
dun sa
Nakapag-differentiate na kayo ng y e to the
movement na ginawa
x,
po
no?
ninyo
Is
sa
equal to c.
action na ginawa
Pag
ninyo,
nag-differentiate
yung
kayo, ano lalabas dyan?
direction din po ng
Di ba?
wave natin ay
E to the x dy
same. Unlike dun sa
plus
transverse
y
wave
e to the
natin,
x
kapag
dx,
transverse,
no?
siya
So,
ay
most of the time, pag may e to the
perpendicular,
x ka,
perpendicular in direction
na
ng
pag
wave
dinifferentiate
natin
mo yan,
doon sa
pwede mong i-divide both
direction or
sides by e
movement
to the
na
x kasi
i-present
similar
natin sa
terms sila.
kanya. Okay,
Diba? So,
the
lahat may
reason
e to
is
the x. So, pwede
that
natin
the human
i-simplify
ear is
e to the x dy
sensitive and can detect sound waves even at
plus
very
y
slow,
dx is
very
equal to
low
0.
density.
But then
Dun
again,
sa,
if we're
picture
going
po
to
natin
reverse
yun, no?
engineer the equation, kung i-integrate natin siya,
So,
paano mo malalaman yung e to
ating
the x?
pag-uusapan dito ay yung relationship
Diga,
po
kung
among the
kung
displacement,
integration yung
the
ating
pressure
gagawin. Kung differentiation, kita
then
natin na
density
nawawala
of
siya.
course, because since yan
But
ay
when it comes to
sound
integrating,
wave,
how do you
syempre,
identify the
we
integrating
will
factor?
try to
Doon
know po
papasok si
yung
doon papasok
intensity
si
rin
integrating
ng
factor.
sound.
No?
Ano ba yan? Naka-decibel
So,
ba yan? Or
identify
kung
na
ano man
natin
yung
si
ating
P of x.
naging,
No, si P of x is 2 negative x.
unit
2
para
negative
dyan,
x
yung
dx, no?
intensity, and also the connections between this
Ah,
quantity and sound
Take out
perception.
the constant or ilabas ko yung constant. No?
To give
Negative 2
us
dx
a
over
more
x.
formal definition
E negative 2
of
ln
what
x.
a sound
Okay?
wave is. So, meron po tayo.
Ah,
Sound
logarithmic
waves,
property
yan,
of
nature,
property
longitudinal
logarithmic.
and
Natural
distribution.
logarithm. No, so ilipat natin yung negative 2
Sinusoidal
sa
waves
taas. No?
which have definite frequency.
ln x
So, same
negative
din po
2.
siya.
E to the ln is
ng
x negative
mechanical
2.
waves. In a
This is
sense,
now your
dun sa
integrating
mga part
factor.
po ng wave po natin. Siyempre,
Alright,
meron
kung
po
kanina,
siyang
dinivide natin
amplitude,
by the
meron
name
po
itself,
siyang wavelength,
integrating
meron
factor.
siyang
Before we
frequency,
integrate,
may crest
it is
pa rin din
a
po
multiplier.
siya. Yung
Multiply
parts
natin siya
po,
sa both sides, no?
sa ating pinag-usapan
So,
kahapon,
in your equation,
sa transverse wave, sa mechanical wave, meron din po siya dito.
with the power of
Yung
copy-paste,
parte ng wave.
multiply
Yan.
both sides by
Definite
x negative
frequency,
2.
amplitude, and wave.
Kasi ito yung integrating factor natin. And that is the step. No? So, pwede natin isulat yung step-by-step procedure.
Natin ay yung hearing po natin. Gamit po.
So, one is transform
Tenga ng bawat isa po.
the
Sound
equation
wave po ito.
into linear form.
And FYI, yung
Two
sa
is
bawat isa,
identify
yung mga tenga, the human ear, it is sensitive to
P of
waves in the
x and
frequency
Q
range
of
from
x.
about 20 to 20 kilohertz
3
po.
is integrating
Yung
factor.
tinatawag na
No,
audible
e to the integral of
range.
px dx.
So another piece
Number
of,
4 is
information
multiply
na
the equation. No?
maaari natin magamit din. FYI about sa
So, yun yung
audible
preparatory
range
steps
na
for
20 to 20
linear
kilohertz
equation.
na
No?
kaya marinig po
Multiply ko na rin
natin
sa
yung
dx
ating
para maging x negative 2
in all
dy
directions from the source of the sound. Kaya ang
minus 2 x
behavior
negative 3
ng ating sound
y
waves
dx is
outward
equal to
loop
x dx. No?
travel niya. Lahat ng directions coming from the source of the sound. So from the source of the sound, magiging direction ng travel ng sound waves po natin ay outward loop. Labas.
Okay. Here's the
Tapos,
Artikulo 1. General Luna.
yan.
Number
Just
1 rule.
like yung ating sound waves,
When you
mechanical
multiply
waves,
your
yeah,
integrating
we have
factor in your linear form,
kahapon
ito,
yung ating wave function.
your
Wave
left
function
side,
one,
itong dalawang term ito,
zero
will
equal
always
sign,
be a
so kaya
product
yung
rule.
dyan
Ano
lang
bang
natin.
product rule?
Tapos, we
Yung
had,
magkasang
some
same term. So,
variations
a
of wave,
product rule of
depending
your
na lang kung
linear
ano yung
variable
parameter
and
na,
your integrating factor.
tinitake into
Artikulo 1.
consideration
Lagi
natin.
siyang
Yan,
differential
meron
nung
pong wave number,
linear
meron pong
variable
in
at
terms of position, in terms of wavelength, in terms of the standing wave.
linear variable
Also,
and your
meron
integrating
din.
factor.
Sige.
So, when you
dito din, sa
differentiate
sound
your
waves, meron
y,
din po tayo dyan.
dy,
Okay. As wave
at saka x
function
negative
y
2.
is
Kaya,
equal to a cosine
when you
x
differentiate
minus your angular
your
frequency
x negative 2, bababa yung negative 2, magiging negative 3, which is ito.
doon is the instantaneous
Then,
displacement
your
y
y.
of a
Diga?
particle in the
So,
medium
your
on
left
position
side,
x at the
Artikulo
time
1 is
t.
always a differential of your
Longitudinal wave,
integrating
the
factor
displacements
and
are
your
parallel. Hindi siya perpendicular.
linear variable. No?
Parallel. para same
Your right
different
side,
direction.
ay di integrate natin.
Para,
So,
naman
integrate
ay
the integral of the differential of the term is the term itself
pag transverse
is equal to x squared over 2 plus c.
Longitudinal ay yung
Multiply
parallel.
both sides,
Nangyari, same
simplify,
direction.
multiply both sides by
Okay.
2 and x squared para maging 2y is equal to x to the fourth plus x squared c.
Yun.
So 2y is equal to x squared
We
plus
have
c.
here
So this is now your
pressure fluctuations.
okay na to. Okay na tong una pero okay na din naman tong pangalawa. Sinimplify lang natin.
Pressure fluctuation.
This is now your general
Yun pa rin
solution.
na dun sa ating wave
Yan po yung
function.
pagsasolve ng linear form.
Yung A doon ay yung amplitude pa rin. Yung K po
Ng pagsasolve ng linear form. Linear form. Very
same pa rin yung ating
procedural.
sa kahapon. X ay position pa rin. Then angular frequency pa rin.
Isa pa.
Saka
So isang equation lang naman.
Okay, same pa rin.
Isang equation. Isa pa.
Dito naman sa ating sound waves kasi pressure fluctuation. So the pressure fluctuates.
Sige, try uli natin sa
above and below atmospheric pressure with the same frequency.
Kayo lang
Also,
yung
describe
klase ko na
sound waves in terms of
nagsosolve ako sa
the
homework
variations
simple.
of the pressure at various points.
Kasi
For
online tayo.
example, the sinusoidal wave natin.
Kasi
tapos
puro
ang
face-to-face
medium
yung
po
iba.
natin ay air, the pressure
So,
fluctuates
Hindi
sinusoidally
ginagawa
above
yung
and
homework
below
report nila.
the
I mean,
atmospheric
hindi namin
pressure
sinosolve
with the same
on
frequency as
the
the
spot.
motions of the air particles. So the human ear, it operates by sensing such pressure by
Human
variations.
ear.
So for example, dyan sa ating figure
anyways,
po, figure
punta tayo sa linya.
6.3, plotted.
So, ang
then,
ano lang dito
ating
is, we don't know the
pressure
answer.
versus yung
But
ating wave function.
I think,
Y. For sinusoidal
pa-double check,
sound
ang
wave,
alam ko yung nasa
given
module lang,
at time
nasa
is equal to
libro
0.
lang din pa. So, hanapin mo sa
shows
libro yung mga
how
question.
individual particles
The
of that
answer
wave
should
are
be there.
displaced at that time.
If not, edi double check nyo na lang din yung sagot
Isa
isa.
naman, it's the right side. So, ito.
Kasi paano wala naman na tama ang sagot ko? No? So, wala tayong
Nakandaan.
uh,
Ito. For
so,
the
linear
pressure
equation,
amplitude,
give me
sine
a
wave,
number,
sound wave.
Mr.
So, meron
Jeremy.
kang Tmax.
Ikaw na dyan.
Maximum pressure is
1
equal
to
to Paka. The bulk modulus of the medium, the area, and then
1 to 8. Give me a number, 1 to 8.
the wave number K. Same pa rin.
Mr. Jeremy
Wave number
Eman.
that is 2 pi over your wavelength.
6 po.
Sa wave number.
6 na. So,
Then yung
1,
A po ninyo
2,
dyan,
3,
hindi sa
4,
amplitude
5,
guys. Hindi sa
6.
area ha. Hindi sa area.
Sige, solve natin ito.
Na po ay displacement amplitude. No, amplitude po siya. Amplitude. Kasi yung B nyo dyan ay
Actually, good.
bulk
Maganda
modulus
tong question
of A
kasi
medium.
usually, pag hindi X and Y, nalilito ng estudyante.
Given.
Bigyan ko yung strategy.
Sa ating problem. Okay?
Gawin natin
Unless,
kayang
siya yung
if
hinahanap,
R is
yung
X,
number ng bulk modulus.
Y
Yung
is
value ng bulk
theta is Y.
Siya yung pagkaganito. Pero kung hindi naman,
Yeah.
given na po yan.
Ito na lang ako na mag, so, yeah.
Tatandaan niyo po.
Para
Okay?
dx
Tandaan
over
niyo po ang
dy
equation natin. The P
plus,
is equal to
siguro doon yung tama yung
A,
yung substitution, baka mamaya mali.
the bulk modulus.
Second y
then
is
the wave
equal to
number,
cosine y.
and then
Sir,
the
pwede po bang R is
displacement
Y,
amplitude.
theta is
Okay.
X? Pwede naman,
Plus,
kayong
for
bahala.
that, pressure fluctuations.
Para lang hindi,
Pressure,
kasi
yeah,
if you are not
Tmax.
comfortable with the
Okay.
variables, edi pwede mo mapalitan.
That's one.
Kaya lang naman tayo nagkakaroon ng different variables is because in application, sa physics, iba't iba yung mga variable natin. Hindi lang naman X and Y. Mathematically, we're using X
Tatandaan
and
niyo,
Y.
yung mga medium
Mathematics.
with large
R and
value of
theta.
bulk modulus.
But in physics, there's a
Okay,
lot of
mga large
variables.
value ng
No?
B natin.
May velocity, may V, may Q. No,
So,
so
mga yun,
we're just,
they are less
uh,
compressible.
para lang mapadali ang
They
buhay
are
natin.
less
No? Sa DX mo.
compressible.
Okay?
And
Linear
since,
form. Is it
less
linear?
compressible, it requires greater pressure.
So we
of
have
amplitude.
our first degree
Greater pressure
equation,
amplitude
dx
for a
over
given
dy.
volume change.
Check.
That is
No.
a given displacement.
We have P of X,
amplitude. Take
P
note
of
that
Y,
relationship.
first
Sa
degree
mga medium
first degree
na
X,
mataas
ito,
yung value ng bulk
is equal to
modulus,
cosine Y. No?
modulus, ibig sabihin din,
So, ibig
ay
sabihin,
they are
dx,
less
dy,
compressible. Kung less compressible po sila,
second Y,
magre-require sila ng greater
X
pressure
is
of
equal to
amplitude for that
cosine
given volume
Y. Now,
change.
so P of Y
Take note of that po.
is second Y,
Example po tayo.
Q of Y is equal to cosine y.
Example.
Okay, ang alam ko ay meron na yung direct formula sa secant y. No. So pwede nating yan, no?
So,
Wait lang.
nasaan? Ito. Okay.
Pwede na, sige na nga,
Example
sa substitute na nga lang uli natin.
Ayan. Palagay po dyan, the sinusoidal sound wave of moderate loudness.
Pwede ba yun?
The maximum pressure variations are about 3 times the
Okay,
negative
so anyways,
above and below atmospheric
ang tanong na lang din kasi is
You're
paano
asked to
natin
find
integrate.
the
No, so meron na
corresponding
tayong
maximum
linear form,
displacement
integrating
if the
factor,
frequency
edi
is 1 kilohertz.
na
We are given
e
such
raised to the p
condition
of
that
x
in air,
dx. Now, yun yung
at
step-by-step
normal
procedure.
atmospheric pressure and density,
Integral
the
of
speed of sound
1
is
over
344
cosine
meters per
y
second.
dy,
The Mach
no?
modulus
Or
is
e
1.42
integral of
times 10 raised to
secant
5
y dy.
Pascal.
No?
Hinahanap natin
Ah,
maximum displacement.
so, since
Given
ito naman ay
na
example,
yan ang ating set
no, so pwede nyo i-search sa
Okay,
internet
frequency, 1
muna
kilohertz.
kung ano yung
Meron
integral.
tayong
No, so
pressure, maximum
I'm
pressure
going to
variations.
try
Ayun yung
differential.
Tmax, right? T times 10
Let's
raised to
try
positive
partial differential.
so
No, I'm going to
negative 2
try to
Pascal.
derive the
Then
integral
your
of
bulk
secant y.
modulus
No, so
A,
kasi ano naman tayo, no?
1.42 times 10 raised to
So parang
positive
kanina,
5
partial
Pascals.
integration.
So,
No,
nawawala dyan. Ang pinapala pala sa atin, sir, ay yung
let
A.
secant y,
No, yung amplitude, yung maximum displacement.
secant y
Amplitude
is
po
equal to
natin. Kasi nga meron
dw.
tayong equation kanina na Tmax is
No,
equal
so
to baka.
pag in-integrate mo siya, siya
Bulk
ay
modulus, yung wave number,
hindi,
and
di ba si
then
secant y ay
yung
cosine, no?
amplitude. No? Ayun ang pinapahanap.
So pag
sa
let's say
atin. Paano
dw is
natin,
equal to
sir,
1
yan
over
sagutan?
cosine y dy
Direct-
or
direct
secant
yan,
y
diretso
dy,
po yan.
di ba?
No?
So pag in-integrate mo siya sa ay
magiging problema ng
ln
value ng
cosine
K.
y,
Tama.
no?
Kasi yung Pmax given, 3 times 10 to the negative 2 Pascals.
Okay?
Yung bulk
So
modulus given
ln
din po,
cosine y.
1.42
So si
times 10
u
raised to 5 Pascals.
is y
Then, yung K ang
or
hindi mo
so
na
si du ay si
ah,
dy. No?
resolve. So, para kumuha
So
po
meaning,
natin value ng K, wave number 2 pi over
uw minus
your wavelength.
w
2
dy,
pi over your
wu du,
wavelength
no?
dito. So, paano natin kukunin din yun?
Okay, so uw is y,
Ayun. Pwedeng diretso din tayo sa kanina.
ln
yung
cosine y
uh,
minus
dito?
the integral of
formula natin po. No? Yung angular frequency
y
over the
cosine
velocity
y
po natin.
dy.
Doon natin
No?
magagamit yung speed
If
ng sound
I'm
natin sa
correct,
air na 344
no? So
meters per second.
y
having
cosine y
that,
dy,
we have approximately or rough estimate ay
pag yung wait lang,
18.26
w
rad per
dy
meter.
substitution,
18.26 rad per meter. Yung ating
in cosine y dy,
wave
ito na yung dy natin,
yung ating
du
K
dy.
here. Yung ating K here. So, yun ang inyong ipapalit sa equation natin. Tmax naman ay given 3 times 10 to the negative 2 Pascals over yung bulk modulus na given
Di double check ko lang yung ating partial integration.
1.42.
So, di ba ay
positive 5.
u
Then,
dv
multiply nyo sa
is equal
K po
to
natin.
uv minus the integral of v du.
Natin. Sagot.
So, kung ang
Sa
aking
letter A,
ito, ay ang
amplitude,
dw ko na
maximum
ay
displacement
secant
ay equal
y dy. So,
sa
dw ko na yung
ay
secant y dy. Ang w ko,
times 10 raised to
baliktad.
negative 8 meters. 1.16
Mali ako.
raised to
So, ang
negative
w, ang v
8
du ko na is
yung
ln
maximum
cosine y
displacement.
dy. No? So, ito na yung
Amplitude yun. Amplitude.
So, parang kanina naman, di ba ito ay ln y?
Yung pressure yun,
Ang integral niyan ay y ln y
fluctuation.
minus y. Diba?
Yung
So, ang
pressure
integral
fluctuation
niyan
po
ay
natin.
cosine y
So in a sound wave,
ln
natin
cosine
the
y
pressure, amplitude, and the
minus
displacement
cosine y.
amplitude, which is the maximum displacement of the particle in that medium. They are
Ay,
proportional
di
to
ko.
each other. Okay? So the
So,
proportionality constant
y minus
depends on the
cosine y
wavelength of that sound and the
ln
bulk modules
cosine
of
y.
the medium. Okay? Next one.
Tama ba? ln y. Ano na lang
Okay,
din
yun.
natin. No?
Masarap po siya.
Ang integral ng ln cosine y.
Magiging equation po.
So, let
Working equation po.
derivation talaga. No? So, gusto ko ba talagang
Okay.
i-derive to? Sayang oras.
Sundan po.
10:36.
Ito.
Sige,
Yung max gan, hindi pa
ang alam ko, ang integrate, yung lalabas
displacement,
dito ay
so kailangan nyo lang yung
E
wave number.
ln
Kasi given na yung B,
second
given na rin K.
y minus tangent y. Na, so ito po yung direct
over V.
formula. Na,
2 pi f over
so this is probably a problem for integral calculus
given
kung
naman
paano
3.4
mag-integrate na.
meters per second.
Integral of
Makukuha nyo po yung sagot ng
sayang yung oras, mabusan tayo ng oras, especially if
diretso po. Wala kayo masyado pagka-load pa din.
ayan na.
Next one.
So, kailangan nyo bang i-derive? Hindi naman. So, pwede naman sa uluhin na lang.
So,
No.
iba rin naman
Pwede naman sa uluhin na.
yung dating or
Ah,
iba rin yung perception.
may nahirapan din ako. So, hindi naman lahat ng integrate formula ay na-derive ko na.
medyo malakas na para
So,
sa kanya,
hindi ko
pero sa
rin-
kanya naman ay
Pero
Hindi rin.
sana naman na-gets nyo yung point na galing dun sa partial integration. No?
nakakarinig.
So, assignment ko na siguro to. Assignment ko. Ayoko nang tagalan. Tatagalan tayo sa lesson. That's not the lesson. Ang lesson natin ay linear. So, I guess, ito na yung direct formula. No?
Ganun po.
Direct formula na lang. Huwag na natin i-derive. No, direct formula.
Perception of sound.
ELN, integrating factor, E, ln, second, y minus tangent y. Since naka-ln yan, cancel. So, your integrating factor is second y minus tangent y. No? Multiply to the equation. No?
Relationship between
Ito yung tip para din makabilis. So, in the YouTube, meron po tayong direct formula. Nasa module din yan. For yung formula natin, ang tawag sa YouTube ay si Yepex Dex. Yepex Dex, no,
can
Kex,
be perceived with normal
Epex.
hearing is about 3 times
Yepex Dex, Epex, Epex Dex, Dex,
The
Dex,
frequency of a
plus
sound wave is the primary factor
direct formula. No?
determine nung pitch ng tinatawag
So,
natin ng sound. Pitch of a sound. Frequency.
Tunay ba yun?
Sa
Sir?
sound wave ang primary factor sa pag-determine ng
Direct
pitch
formula.
ng ating sound. Okay. So there is a relationship talaga po between the pressure, amplitude, and the
Ayan,
loudness.
tatata.
It varies
Yan,
from one
sige.
person to another. Okay? One important factor of that is that
Hindi naman nagsusunod.
the ear is not equally sensitive to all frequencies in the audible range. Right? Yung range na binigay
Yeah,
ko
no.
sa inyo kanina.
Si Epex Dex,
So, sound at one
Kex,
frequency
Epex
may
Dex,
seem
Epex
louder
Dex.
than
Pwede nyo
one of
tandaan.
equal pressure, amplitude,
Ay,
at a
so,
different
ang
frequency
ginawa ko lang
naman.
is I'm
The
teaching
perceived
it
loudness
part by part.
also
So,
depends
basically,
on the
this is
health
your
of the
integrating
ear.
factor.
Naman
And we
yan.
already know
Siyempre,
your integrating
kapag
factor,
yung
which is
medyo
second y
matatanda
tangent
na po,
y.
no?
So,
Yung
we just
age,
write down
factor din
X
po yun. No? The age usually brings
multiply
a
to
loss
your
of
integrating factor,
sensitivity
second y
and high
minus
frequencies.
tangent y
Kaya medyo minsan nagbibigay
is
nyo, kaya
equal
hindi na
to,
marinig
what is
ng
your
mga
q of
matanda.
x cosine
Sa mga
y
common
multiply to the
yung
integrating
mga
factor,
may edad.
which is second
So, the
y
frequency of a sound
minus
wave
tangent
is
y
the primary factor in determining the
dx
pitch
plus
of
c.
a
No?
sound.
So,
The
direct
quality
formula.
that
Hindi na
classify
natin minultiply
the sound
both
as the
sides.
high
Di ba ang
or
ginawa
the-
natin kanina?
the
Minultiply
highness
both
or the
sides. No?
lowest ng
But
ating pitch.
basically, minultiply
The
naman talaga din
higher
natin
the
both
frequency
sides.
of a sound, the higher the pitch the listener will perceive.
Okay? So,
Kapag taas yung frequency
integrate
ng sound
na natin.
pag
Hindi
taas
pa.
yung
No, simplify
pitch
natin.
na
Magiging
what
1
a listener
minus
will
sin y
Next po.
dx. Hindi pala siya dx, dy pala. No? So, kung halimbawa, x, baliktad tayo, x yung ating variable ay d, sep a, Si payday is equal to K.
Percentage of sound waves, okay, vibrates
payday.
sa fundamental frequency at many
Y lang.
harmonics
Bakit
at the
pa rin
same
lang
time. That is why we had
No.
our discussion also
So,
last
binaliktad
time
ko lang yung X
yesterday
and Y.
nung fundamental
So, sin Y,
frequency.
dy
How to
plus
find, how
C.
to compute,
No.
how to
Integrate
determine
natin
the
Y
fundamental frequency at the same time yung
No.
mga harmonics.
plus cosine
will
Y
be. Yeah. We also have the
plus
harmonic
C.
content.
No.
Okay.
X
So it can be
second Y
mathematically processed
minus
mathematical process of
tangent Y.
translating a pressure time graph using
No.
Fourier
Multiply,
analysis.
simplify further. Pwede natin i-multiply both sides to cosine Y para
illustration
maging
natin,
X
yeah,
minus
yung
sin Y
clarinet natin with
is
fundamental
equal
frequency of
to
2 by
Y
3
cosine
hertz.
Y
We can have
plus
it, and we
cosine
can
square
represent
Y
that
plus C
using
cosine
Fourier
Y. No,
analysis din naman.
is that the final answer?
And
No.
yung Fourier analysis, much
Kasi hindi po yan yung
more
variable na
yung
ginamit natin. So,
appreciate tsaka mas
X is R,
ano nyo siya sa
Y is theta.
higher
Ibalik lang natin.
subjects po
R
ninyo,
minus
advanced
sin
math.
theta
So, yun din sa advanced
is
math,
equal
ituloy na
to
kayo at the same
theta
time sa mga
cosine
signals,
theta
wala sa mga signals ng
plus
recipe.
cosine
Ganun
square
po kayo.
theta
No?
plus
Pero
cosine
start nyo
theta
sa inyong Fourier
C.
analysis.
No. Pagkalimutan. Yun na yung ating variable.
The difference in sound
Ayan na yung ating
is what we
differential
call
equation.
the timbre.
No, so,
Timbre.
since we're
Ang
almost
sinasabi
done
sa
naman,
Tagalog.
gusto kong hanapin siya sa
The difference of the sound. So two
Rainville,
tones
no? Gusto kong hanapin siya sa
by different instruments, and they might have the same fundamental frequency. So kung sabi natin, kung may same ang fundamental frequency, more likely possible same din yung magiging pitch po nila. But they sound different because of the different harmonic contents po ng ating dalawa. For example, yeah. So the difference in that sound is what we call the timbre. And it is often
linya.
described
Hanapin
in
natin siya,
subjective
no?
terms. Right? Such as
punta tayo kay linear.
another
So,
factor din
kung papansinin
determining
natin
tone
si linear,
quality is the quality or is the behavior
Nasa
at
na
the
si linear.
beginning and the end of a tone.
tanya to, yung mga
Yan
yung mga
nakalagay
example
po
natin
dyan.
dito
Yung
ay
beginning,
puro
the attack,
halos
yung
lahat
end,
ay
yung
3
decay
terms,
ng
no?
tone po natin.
1, 2, 3, so number 1, no? 1, 2, 3, halos
In
lahat
other
example
words,
natin ay
yung
tatlo
attack
yung
po ay
tone,
yung
no?
beginning ng yung tone, tapos yung end ng
Ang
tone po
question natin ay
natawag natin decay doon. Dito.
second
Para
ko,
hindi po kayo
second.
dito ba? Sige. Ano yun?
Tapos mali pala ang gawa ni sir, no?
Decay na words po doon. So, yun po ang sinasabi nun. Yung attack ng tone ay yung beginning of that tone. Then, yung
Wala
end
yata
ng
dito.
tone, yung ang tinatawag natin decay of the tone. So, unlike the tones made by the musical instruments,
Wala yata.
noise is a combination of all the
Well,
frequencies.
hindi
That is
naman
why
siya
meron din
perfect.
po dyan included din yung noise natin dito sa ating
Ito sa linya,
discussion. Noise is a combination of all frequencies, not just frequencies that are integer
hindi.
multiples of
dx cosine
fundamental
theta
frequency.
sin theta.
No.
Ang labo.
yung mga may mga
Sin
iba't ibang klase po
d
yan ng
theta
noise din po.
second.
Yan ay ma-discuss nyo rin kapag kayo nasa higher na ng
dr
po, third
r
year,
second
yan,
theta
discuss
cosine
nyo rin.
theta.
Ay, kayo nga pala yun. Anyway, so
R
meron
second
iba't ibang
theta.
klase po ng noise din naman po yan. May iba't ibang tao pa nga sa kanya.
Wala
Mga
dito.
kulay.
So, I guess wala pala. So, hindi lahat naman. So, hindi naman lahat naman. I guess may sagot na tayo.
Types of noise naman. And noise, isa sa mga major concern po natin. As much as possible, we try
Second
to
x, y,
suppress them.
tangent x.
We try to lessen yung amount ng noise na meron sa ating setup o sa ating system. Kasi yun ang
Anyways.
mismong kalaban, sa mga kalaban po natin. Maaari po kasi nilang ma-corrupt, destroy yung inyong signal. Especially sa inyo, kanya, sa biomed. So we all know na napaka vital ng signals po para sa atin, especially kapag sa medical field, no, kailangan yung analog signal,
Okay,
digital
hindi
signal
ko makita.
talaga ma-deal with natin.
Nasa given?
Tama.
Ano yun, Miss Carly?
Every signal.
Sir, hindi po ba ang integral po of
bawat isa yan.
second y dy ay second y plus tangent y po?
Kasi kailangan
Hindi
Tangent
po
take
y?
into account natin, especially kapag involved na ang human life, kapag medical field na.
Sige, kung yan ang formula. No,
Noise, kailangan
baka mali tayo ng kopya. So, baka mali ako ng kopya. Sige. Integral of second. Baka mali ako ng copy.
Speed of sound wave.
O, positive, no? Tama. Tama.
Speed.
O, tama. Mali si Sir.
Meron tayo ano dito?
So,
Bigay ko sa inyo constant number ng speed ng wave
ayan.
wave sa air.
Ayun lang.
Din yan.
Sign
344
lang.
natin. Ayan. Pero sabi ko sa
Ito
inyo,
ay magiging
other
positive.
materials,
Ito ay magiging
okay,
positive.
nakakapagbasa ng iba pang
So,
wave.
sign
Ang
Y,
ginagamit nila ay
ito ay
340.
negative, no? So,
Pero
negative.
sa ating
I guess
gamit
sign.
kong reference
Thank you.
materials ay 344. 344 meters per
Good
second.
na
So,
identify
sabi ko
na
nga po,
natin yung mga...
clarification, hindi siya
Kasi paano
stated sa
pag lumabas
problem,
nga sa sex,
automatic
at
ang
least alam na
gagamitin mo
natin.
yung 344.
Good. Okay.
Kung hindi naman, edi
Positive to.
yun lang naman yun.
Ito ay negative. Yan.
Doon.
Ay.
Okay, punta po tayo dito. The speed of sound wave. So, a sound wave in a bulk fluid
Ayun
process
na.
compressions and
I guess wala siya dito. So, we just...
nag-discuss natin siya.
Yun na lang yun.
Yung compression, a zone of high density. Tapos yung rarefactions po ninyo, yung naman yung zone
Wala siya sa
ng
dito.
low
Ay.
density.
So, any questions about linear equations? Ano naman? So, I guess doon tayo nahirapan sa second y dy. Kasi hindi na natin dinerive ni Sir. Pero yung linear ng pagsosolve,
kabilang dulo ay
diba?
yung kanyang
Ito yung formula.
rarefaction.
O kaya naman meron naman
So,
tayong
meron?
step by step.
Inibaga.
Pag na-transform na natin sa linear form, yung integrating factor yung question. Are we
the
able to
massiveness
get the
of a
integrating
bulk
factor?
fluid is described by its
Multiply to the
density or
equation
the mass per unit
and
volume.
integrate the
Hence, we
equation.
expect
Si
that
left
the
side,
speed of
lagi
sound
siyang
wave
product
should
rule.
be of
Si
the
right
form
side,
V
i-integrate
is
pa natin si
equal
right
to
side.
the square root ng bulk modulus ng fluid na yon over the density of that fluid. Tatandaan niyo po
If
yun.
wala na tayong
Okay.
question,
So, speed yun ng sound,
question,
speed of a
last
longitudinal wave
type.
in a fluid. Sa
Si last
fluid.
type kaya ng 15
Kapag
minutes.
fluid ang medium po natin.
Hindi, papahapyawan lang natin. Okay. Kasi si last type,
I-charge.
so si last type is, or yung last natin for this day, is what you call integrating factor found by inspection. So, kailangan yung, kasi mamamaya hindi kayo maniwala sa procedure. No, kung titingnan nyo yan, isang page lang yan. Isang page lang yan. Walang procedure yan. Walang example. Walang ano.
Fluid.
No, kaya siya kaya ng within 15 minutes. No? When you read the introduction, so yung first sentence niyan about linear. So, nalaman natin na meron parang mga integrating factor na nawawala. And we are to identify the integrating factor via e to the px dx. Diga. Yun yung sa linear equation. But for this fifth type, at present, we are concerned enough to enable us to find the integrating factors by inspection. So, by inspection. Pag sinabi mo inspection, titingnan mo.
Solid rod.
The ability to do this depends largely upon the recognition of certain common exact differentials and upon experience.
Here, the equation.
So, I advise to the students that this is your last resort. Kung alimbawa, na-try mo na yung apat, huwag mo nang, ito na yung last mong gawin. So, hindi ko siya ina-advise gawin nyo kagad. Kasi, there's no procedure. Meron naman akong advice. Meron naman akong way para mag-solve. So, ginagawa naman ng paraan. But, in the module, in the lesson itself, walang direct procedure. It is a trial and error type of equation.
Instead of bulk modulus, naging Young's modulus.
Depends largely upon
ito ay solid
experience.
Kaya siya inabago.
So, there is no procedure in this type of equation. Then again, may advices ako. Meron akong tips.
Concern doon. So, square root
So, in the
bulk
following,
modulus over the
ganito,
density. Ito
meron,
naman,
sa inspection,
kapag
meron
sa
tayong
solid
tinatawag
rod
na
natin,
exact differential.
ang speed, how we determine the speed of that
So, when you say
longitudinal
exact
wave,
differential, is
V is equal to the
the
square root
differential
of the Young's modulus of that material
product
over
rule,
the density.
product
Okay.
rule, no?
So,
X
ano
dy,
yung Young's
plus
modulus,
y
yung
dx.
bulk modulus na yan? Anong mga
Quotient rule.
values po niyan?
No,
Ito,
quotient rule,
we
x
have
over
here
y. So, para
a
matandaan
table.
niyo yung quotient rule,
Okay,
ito yung
mga
advice
table
ko. Kung
po
ano yung
tayo
denominator, yun yung
Nakikita?
unang term.
sa inyong mga squares po. Nasa right
Y-
side
yun yung
po
unang term. Basta
Ito.
kung anong denominator, yun yung unang term. No? dx
And
minus
alam nyo
x
na.
dy.
Kapag
So,
nagkita kayo
pag
ng
quotient
ganyan,
rule, pag y over x naman, eh di kopyahin ko lang yung x. No, naka-square yung ilalim, tapos x dy minus y dx na.
So, meron tayo
Yun yung pananda ko.
bilang sound,
Tapos meron tayong differential
various
ng
bond
arctangent,
materials, kabigas,
x over
sa
y.
liquid, sa solid.
Denominator, dx minus x dy over x square plus y square. Ay, yun lang yung pananda ko. Kung ano yung denominator, yun yung nasa yung unang term. No?
For example, ito.
Ayan,
Banggit
yeah.
ko ata sa inyo.
Ngayon,
Banggit sa inyo
ito yung
sa other
idea.
sections.
When you see a
Nag-wonder
positive
ba
sign,
how yung mga
that's a
submarines natin,
product rule. Pag positive, same sign. Pag nagkaroon ng opposite sign, that's a quotient rule. No? Ibig sabihin, may fraction. Right? Let's solve. No. Try natin. Sir, pwede ko bang i-exact to? So, may sinal ba tayo sa exact? Try natin tong exact. No? So, si inspection is, I guess, end all be all. Pag alam mong gagawin mo, kaya mo siyang isolve. Pag hindi mo alam, reason ba yun? Or paano ba yun? Yeah. So, for example, ito, kuha muna din pala tayo ng example dun sa mismong module. Kasi bakit, sir, nakuha ka sa si inspection, kaya mo siyang gawin in all of the equation. But the thing is, are you able to identify the integrating factor easily? Kasi nga, siya ay wala siyang procedure. No? So, ito muna. Okay? Okay? So, ito yung advice ko. For inspection, you distribute first. No, wala siyang procedure. 2xy squared dx plus y dx minus x dy. Ngayon, identify that you have a negative sign. May positive, negative. Di ba? Yan o, y dx, x dy. So, if we're going to reverse engineer your process, probably meron yung y square. So, what I'm going to do, since alam na natin yung gagawin, pero kumbaga trial and error kayo, divide natin by y square para makompleto ko yung quotient rule. In order to complete the quotient rule, yun yung decision making na, okay, quotient rule yung hinahanap ko. So, magiging 2x dx plus y dx minus x dy now is equal to 0 divided by y square. Now,
Hi.
so, this is now your quotient rule. 2x dx plus differential of x over y is equal to 0. Now, we can integrate our equation para maging x square plus xy. The integral of the differential of xy is the same number. Is equal to c. Multiply both sides to y.
Nag-wonder na ba kayo? Mga ka-wonder.
Wonder
Kung paano nakaka-locate
equals c.
yung mga
Y. Na.
submarines
So,
natin or yung mga ships
yan na
natin.
po yung
Paano
ating
nila nalolocate yung mga
differential
objects
equation.
sa
Na.
ilalim
Yan na
ng
yung
tubig?
ating differential.
Kunyari,
Walang
may
procedure.
bilog
As
na
in,
barko.
kahit
Paano nila
sa ibang libro, nag-try na rin ako maghanap, pero wala siyang,
Paano?
yan. Ganyan lang. Yan lang yung procedure.
Wow.
So, may mga example naman tayo.
So ngayon, atin tutuklasin mga ka-wonder.
Sana hindi nyo napapakinig tong katabi ko.
Yung mga
Wonder
submarines
pets.
natin. Yung mga ships natin.
Okay,
How
yan.
do they
Ah.
locate objects under
Okay,
water?
yan na yung sagot. No? So,
Yan,
same
may
naman ang
bumbong na ba
question,
to?
yx
Oh,
square,
nasan yun? Tapos, diba, may mga search and rescue
yx square
operation
plus
ang
xcy.
ginagawa.
Na.
Okay?
Okay,
Sige.
try
So,
natin
gumagamit po
yung
sila
yung isang
na,
problem.
ano
Now,
na,
I do not recommend
sonar system.
using inspection all the time.
Sonar system.
Unang-una,
hindi
paano pag
solar.
sinabi ko sa problem
Pag
na
solar sa
solve using exact equations?
Palawakan yung balik.
Ay, di, kailangan yung gawin yung exact equations. No?
Yeah. Sound.
Hindi, pero sa inspection,
Basically,
kung kaya nyo gawin, go. Kung hindi nyo kayang gawin, hindi ko sinasuggest. Ngayon, again, distribute 2xy dx minus 3x squared dx plus x squared plus dy
bumalik yung signal.
plus 2y
The
dy.
moment
Okay?
na
Ngayon,
bumalik
what
na
I'm
yung
going to
signal
do
sa
is
kanila,
I'm going to look for the x
malulukit
dy
nila,
and the
no?
y
Based
dx.
saan? Sa tagal ng
Kasi yun yung
tagal
yun yung
travel
magkakapartner na
ng
differential eh.
wave. Kasi
Di
pwede
ba?
natin
Y dx at
makorelate po
x dy.
yung
Yun
speed,
yung nasa
yung time
lesson.
na iyon dun sa displacement, dun sa location.
Yan o, x dy,
na
y dx.
travel
Yung
ng
opposite
inyong speed. Ganyan din ang
variables,
nangyari po sa,
no?
sa mga,
So meaning, itong 2y dy,
tawag
goods
din
na to.
sa mga internet connections po ninyo.
Na,
May mga
itong
outages,
negative
may mga
3x
outage po
squared
sa
dx,
connection
goods na yan.
down ng system po or
Itong x dy, tanggalin ko
may
yung
putol
x.
na lang yung inyong fiber. For example, yung fiber
Huwag
na
pala
yun,
natin
may
tanggalin sa
putol.
x, no?
Kaya pala kayo walang
So ito
internet
ay
connection.
2xy
Yan.
dx
So nangyari, yung mga
plus
ginagamit
x squared
po,
dy,
yung
no?
mga
Yun yung
network
magka-partner.
provider,
No? So
mga
the
equipment,
goal is to
yung
identify the
OTDR,
exact differential.
optical-
No, this one is not an
OTDR basta yun.
kaya pa.
Yun ang ginagawa,
No,
ang ginagawa
moderate,
nila. Kasi
no?
saan sila na
Because
signal,
when you look at
tapos,
this is
hinihintay nilang bumalik
exact
yun.
differential
Like, kunyari, may
of a
utopia,
product rule of
may
x
putol
squared
yung signal
and
sa
y. Kasi pag
yung
dinifferentiate mo
fiber
yung
ninyo, o
x
tendency
square,
po
ano lalabas?
ay
2x
babalik
dx.
sa kanila iyon. And
Pag dinifferentiate mo yung y, which is ito yung ito yung x squared, hindi mo dinifferentiate yung x, no?
yung gaano
dy,
katagal,
no? So
ay
minus 3x squared
bago
dx
bumalik yung
plus
inyong
2y dy.
signal na binato.
Pwede na natin
somehow,
integrate
malulocate po nila
the terms,
kung ano yung
each term,
distance, ilang kilometro. So, based
para
sa
maging
tagal
x square y
pagbalik po ng
minus
inyong
x
signal.
cube
So, kaya pa
plus y square
determine nila, nasa
is
part
equal
ng
to c.
balagtas yung putol.
Yan ba yung sagot kanina?
Doon pala kasi
Tama ba yung kopya
binabukay
natin?
pala ng prime water na dali yung fiber. Ganun.
Sinunod ba
Ganun
natin
mga
to?
cases.
Parang hindi naman natin sinunod.
Ganun na nangyayari po.
Sige, solve natin
Ganyan lang
via
din.
exact
Same ang
law.
magiging
So,
concept
3
principle
minutes?
po
Kaya.
So they
Kaya, 3
send
minutes.
signals, then hintay nilang
Test
mag-reflect
natin,
po,
exact.
bumalik.
No?
Yung signal sa iyo, tapos kukumputin nila gaano ba katagal
So,
bago bumalik.
m is
Tapos,
2xy
i-correlate nila yun
minus
sa
3x square.
distance, sa displacement,
N is
sa
x square plus 2y. No?
sa layo. No?
M with
Layo.
respect to y is
Doon
2x
nila
minus 0.
malulocate na, meron nga doon.
N with respect to x is
Possible na meron doon.
2x.
Doon
So,
nila
therefore, the
titingnan.
equation
Ayun.
is
Hindi naman yung sa lahat
exact.
naman ng dagat.
Tapos, theorem 3. So,
Titingnan
m
nyo
dx at saka
possibly,
n
ano
dy. No?
yung area.
So,
na
si
possible
x
na
laang
nandun yung
magiging x square y minus x
bubugan
cube
ng barko, for
plus
example.
g h of y.
Sige, punta na po tayo
Na.
dito. Sa
So,
example,
si
number
ndy
2 po natin.
naman,
So, wavelength
ito si
of a
ndy,
sonar wave.
magiging y
So, for
square
example, a ship uses a solar system.
negative
which is,
x cube,
makikita nyo rin naman po
positive
sa ating
x cube.
illustration sa right side. Ito, guys. Ayan. So, meron kayong nag-send yung ship na yun.
Tama naman,
na
negative.
signal. Tapos, ayan. Tapos, kung natamaan yung baro, yung boat.
But negative
for
x
example,
cube to.
bangka.
Y pala. So, magiging
Bumalik yung
x square
signal na
y.
yun sa kanya.
No, ito.
Yun.
So, ito ay magiging x square y,
Properties pa
ito
rin
ay magiging
po
y
ng
square. So,
ating
tama naman.
wave na pag-aralan.
Plus
Nandun pa
g
rin,
of
no?
x.
Yung
No?
speed,
Yeah.
yung wavelength.
So, copy the similar
amplitude
terms,
yan. Yan
x
pa rin
square
po.
y.
Pag
Identify
pinapahanap
your
sa
g
atin,
of x,
the
which is
speed of
negative
sound
x
wave.
cube. Identify
Ganun
your
ba
h
kabilis
of
po
y,
yung
which
sound
is y
wave
square.
doon sa water.
Then just copy. Now, y
Given
square
that
minus
we
x
have the
cube
bulk
is equal to
modulus
c.
of 2.18
Yun yung
times 10 raised to
ating
9 Pascal.
Yun yung ating exact
Pascal
equation.
siya.
No?
10
Same,
raised to 9.
probably
Then
hindi.
find
Hindi
the
same method
wavelength
kasi may
of
mdx
that
and dy. Pero sa
262
inspection,
hertz wave.
yan. Nakuha natin si inspection. Same
Speed ng sound wave sa tubig.
na force.
Then,
Actually,
yung
by
wavelength,
term
no?
is fino-force
262
natin yung
hertz
equation
wave
kasi
natin yun.
walang method
So,
na
paano
in-integrate
ating
natin. No?
gagawin natin dyan, sir?
Yan.
Skip.
2x, x plus 2y.
Skip ko yan.
Ayan.
Huwag niyong i-skip.
Ay, yan po si inspection. No? So, may mga
Babalikan niyo po sa water. Tama.
another
Plus
is
bulk
may
modulus.
mga dual
Dv is
typing
equal
tayo
to
para siyang
is
Pokemon.
equal
Sa inspection,
square root ng
para
bulk
siyang normal
modulus
type.
over
Parang fino-force mo yung equation. No?
ano?
So,
Ano?
ay,
Density.
any
Sige.
questions
Density.
about
Since
the
given naman po
inspection?
yung,
So,
yung
sana
water. So, kailangan nyo na alam yung value nung
trial and
density
error
ng
talaga sa
water.
inspection.
Yun yung nailapan po ay
Hindi
ano
lahat
po natin.
guaranteed.
Sabi ko nga po sa inyo, yung mga common
Eh,
substance
kaya
na
nyo,
ginagawa po,
kaya naman
ginagamit
yun,
natin sa
ma-identify
atin
nyo naman
ay,
kagad yun.
may alam po
But
tayo
then
sa
again,
mga
hindi siya
concept values na
advisable kasi pagdating sa
ginagamit
exam,
natin.
it's a
Okay.
trial and
Density ng
error. It's
water,
very,
take note na po.
unlike
Then, kasi
Unlike
gagamitin
exact,
po yun sa
meron tayong
pag-
methods na sinusunod.
identify ng
Ay,
speed
kung walang
ng
question,
wave
time
na
is
yun
11
sa
o'clock.
water na yun.
Kung wala nang question,
Square root
itatry
ng
kong isave.
bulk modulus given, then density ng water. Then. Okay?
Ayun, no, kung wala nang question,
Meron
nag-ano
kayong
talaga siya. No?
value na speed ng
Kung wala nang
sound
question, class dismiss.
sa
Ano na
example
lang,
natin.
pwede nyo i-record yung ating video. Wala naman
estimated
akong,
na meron kayong
wala.
1,476
Kung wala nang question, class dismiss na.
meters per second.
Goodbye and thank you po.
Ganun.
Okay. Sige.
Thank you po.
Traffic.
Good
Thank
luck
you po.
Sa setup
mag-solve
na
ng
yan.
maraming problem na.
Sa setup.